Today, I'm trying to crochet Santa. Some assembly required. I've had an idea. I know. Uh-oh. I remember, as a little kid, making Santa out of a little red construction paper star and lots of cotton balls. It was really fun then. Probably it's fun now too, right? Well, I recently discovered a crochet pattern for stars. Can I make one of those into Santa? Only one way to find out. Here is what I gathered for materials. Yarn. Santa's a colorful guy. Safety eyes. Crochet hook. Scissors. Stitch marker. And a yarn needle. I'll start by making the star in red. I'm going to link the star pattern I'm using in the description because they do a much better job explaining it than I will. But you can use whatever star pattern you like. I'm going to make the large star from this pattern set so that I have more space to Santify him. I'm going to start by making 2 circles. Here's the first one, all finished off, ends woven in, more or less. And here's the second, still workable. They're both 30 stitches around, and now we're ready to make some points. Oops, I forgot, this step calls for an extra stitch marker. First, you join the 2 circles with a single crochet. Mark that one. Then count 6 stitches over on both circles and also mark that stitch. Next, you work across the front, joining the circles again at the stitch that you marked. And then work across the back. Now you just spiral up, decreasing at each side until you get a nice point. Yeah, something like that. And now I'll do the rest of the points the same way. Here is the finished star. Don't forget to stuff it. I think that next I'll do the face. I'm going to try to make a little oval. I'll just start with a chain and spiral around until it's the right size. Now it looks like the little boy from A Snowy Day. Cute. I think the next step will be eyes and cheeks. First, I'll figure out the eye placement, and then secure those, and then I'll just sew on 2 little pink lines for cheeks. And next, I will try to sew the face onto the star. Ha! Cute! I think I could attach a beard with lark's head knots. I think that means pulling the loop up toward his face. Yep. Now more beard. Huh, oh boy. It's silly, but I like it. Probably I'll end up trimming the beard, but I'll braid it for now. Next, I think I will chain a white band for his hat. When it's the right size, I will slip stitch it together and then sew it down. I'm pretty sure he needs a little belt. I will just make a black chain to about the right length and then single crochet back to make it wider. Then I'll sew it down a little bit so it doesn't go anywhere. And how about a belt buckle? Oh, very nice. And now let's see what he looks like with his beard combed. Ooh, so much lovely beard. How about a quick trim? Ta-da! It's Santa! And you can add a little loop of yarn to use him as an ornament. Or no yarn, and he's just a little Santa friend. This was fun to make, but if you don't crochet, or if this feels like too much, you could totally make it out of felt, sew it, glue it, but a star-shaped Santa is definitely excellent, no matter what he's made of. Thanks for watching! Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos come out every Saturday! What a strange voice you have, Santa. So until the next one, be awesome, and I will see you then. Bye!